Yeah. But when I say people, anybody out there can do a little donation, that would be really nice. When I can send the money, and when we give it, we can go live and show them say me give me and something. You see it, people? Yeah, because Jamaica. Jamaica rough enough people. As I get one little money say done. The dollar's not really so smooth out here. Don't claim for actor.
Yeah.
Alright. Now see a word.
You don't know the song you can card with Diva because it's next media.
Yeah, I did. Everything up? We have big up out there, and I big up nobody. Alright, see it now people, we approach juicy patties, is it? Yeah, we approach juicy patties. I know so I don't love juicy patties, you know, is it? So there's a show on live up there, I'm going to see what I go and report on town and see people. Because I don't know if people are shopping for the Christmas. Everybody has spent out them money, I done them money in the Christmas. Yeah, everybody has done them money. Them are done it. Alright, my G. You know, it's a mad thing, you know, people. A long time we don't do this, you know, so I'm back at it again, people. You see it? We're at the BIB Black Factory and Hardware and Supply, right at William Street. You see it, people? Yeah, man, a mad thing. Yeah. Yeah, people, so I see what going on now. We take our time again. We're on William Street, seeing we in people. Yeah, man. Remember, say for like, share, and subscribe. You know, say Dex Media already. Why people may approach B Music now, so I'm gonna mute the audio. Alright people, so I don't see what going on everybody. I take them time I got in yard. People buy when I buy already and things, you see it? See the people? The lane they bring you right out of William Street, you see it? Yeah. And bring you right back to the bus stop. Sorry. Alright. Oh, I do my thing, I did, man. Everything up now. Alright. See the people? Big YouTuber and Hakeem. Yeah man, in the pan block. Yeah, come do Christmas shopping, bro. Alright. Link me if anything, you know. Yeah, I'm going to cover it on. What going on? Alright, people, so I put some music again, so I'm going to mute the audio. Oh, go on. Alright, people. Look how we there now. Look how we reach. We there the famous young man in the people. You know, see, hold on, the mute. Alright, people, you see what go on now. We there the famous young man in the people. So you know, see a mad thing in the people. You see it? Yeah. How did you come from General? Ginger House. Alright, so you know, see the real original yam in the people. So you know, see a mad thing. Renta yam. Yeah. So how people never ask down there in there at William Street? Are you say always there?
Yeah man,
don't claim for actor.
Yeah.
Alright, now see a word. Some of music I play so I can't really tarry. Yeah man, we link there.
Right.
Yeah people, I know the copywriter catch me, you know, you see it? So much music I play, man. See the people who are past on Petal Verde, you know, you see it? Mommy, what go on? You remember me? I'm there again. Remember? So you did see the last time when I did it? You never see it, huh? See the people who they are, wow, Mirror, wow, Mary Shine Supermarket. A big supermarket up on the block here, though. We passed about 3 supermarkets already from where on the block here. See the people? supermarket right there, so you have a hardware right there, so you see it? So 2 hardware on William Street so far, you see it? Yeah. Mommy, where are you going? Let's see, I keep up there, so yeah, you're good. Alright. Where are you going? Alright, mommy, up. See, people a whole heap of things I forgot to when I do this YouTube thing, you know, people, you see it? Now people don't want no video. But I just go and put in work still, because I don't know that I do them video for you know, people. I couldn't see what I go on a Port Antonio. Beautiful Port Antonio, you see it? Oh, I have a music player, so. Alright, people, so me have to... Alright. Alright people, so let's see what I'm going with the William Street here now, you see it? Yeah man, beautiful William Street. Yeah, this is like the art of town, you see it? Make the people and see what I'm going. I see over the corner, you know, people who can buy on the bread and something, you know, you see it? Over the corner, over the inside, you see it? Right, that's the only place where you can get your bread and something, I'm not sure, but from me I got Port Antonio High School, I just come buy my bread right there, so I know the bread sell there, so. Alright, so them have one place named High Fashion Block, you see it? Yeah. So this is the taxi stand. This is like one little taxi stand where if you want to go back down in the, what am I going to say again? If you want to reach back if you want to reach down in the town, down the Brumbrook, we're gonna come right there, so and go back in the town, you see it? Yeah. So I got a tour over here, so now you see it, over this little cooling spot over here, so show you what I'm going over here, so you see it? And let's see what I'm going here, so. There, William Street, see you see it? But me show you what I'm going. Please remember people, one time when you see mute and when I get the music, because I try to avoid the copyright thing when time too much music I play in the tone, you see it? I don't want to get in trouble. Alright, where the place name again? I forgot what the place name. Because they never put nothing outside so people know what the place name. I don't remember what name. But if you don't remember what the place name and then sell clothes and everything, you can comment in the comment section and see it, people. Yeah, man, you can do that too. What go on? Alright people, so we're in the town same, so I can walk from the side here and come back down from the other side. I can walk go to a little spot, same way, you see it? Just to show you what I'm going. And you can get on a nice jerk chicken right here, so jerk pork and everything, you see it? Alright people, so we're in a hot town, you see it? Yeah, we're in a town, see you. Yeah people. Well, I got a man across and say, yo, you can't do them things, you can't put a video for me. Yo, I bet things, I have to go try the YouTube and the people. Yo, this YouTube journey not easy, man, I tell the people. But I just do it same way because of the heart of love, you see it people? Yeah man, but me just ignore people and stuff. Me not really cuss them, you see it? They know I'm a video them, me not video them. You see it? Alright, but see, do it bro, do it, hold them, hold them my boss, hold them my boss, hold them. Alright people, so we approach one place named Shems. Yeah, Shems the right here so. Sir, what going on? Alright. Alright, Mr. People, I'm just a walk that side here. And then I go, I don't know how far I'm gonna walk, but I'm taking my time going down the bay. And then now I'm gonna come all the way up back. You see it? Yeah. Because I make that video for you know, people. I'm gonna see what I go on. In a beautiful Port Antonio. Alright, so that lane here named Love Lane, is it? Yeah, Love Lane. Alright. Alright people, so I think I'm gonna further still, you know. I'm gonna flip around the camera now and alright, I go down to Credit Union. I'm gonna see what I'm going on a Credit Union. And then now I just go right back in town. I can't believe that I have 10 people on the live and nobody not like it. Please man, don't do better than that man. Like it up, please. Yeah man, like it up. Alright people, so you see it there? They have a bookshop right over there, so you see it? They have a bookshop there right over there, so. Name, how that? A Milton bookshop. Alright people, so I'm gonna feel like I'm gonna further. I'm gonna just take my time and go on the other direction and go back out into the town. Alright, big up on yourself, you know, people. Everything up? Come on, pick up yourself. That's funny, is it? Come walk on, man. Isn't it funny? Hard work, eh? So we watch both space star man, be music. Copyright for days. I will edit them out, Be music I play. We approach the market now still. Alright people, so I say I can come out of music still, is it? Yo! Oh god. Alright, so I go over the side because I do my music I play and I see Kane man over here, so I link the Kane man. check out Dex Media on YouTube. Dex Media. Yeah, YouTube channel, that's it. Why people want to see what I'm going? To a traffic stay. If vehicle man and the bus man, they have to make the nice. And nobody don't want to move, you know? Yeah, man, nobody don't want to move. Show no what I'm going to say. Please, people, nobody no personal like it. No, man, please, man, like the video, people, like. Don't have to block up. Alright, my G. So, why you just stay in the streets? So, what go on? Why you just stay in the streets? So? Government nah do nothing.
I beg you, my beg, man. Tell the man say I beg you,
Yeah. So, what?
I beg you, now.
Eh.
Yo, you know, fly that to my banana tree. You know, so I beg you.
So, you say no, my G. Why you just in the streets and thing? What go on? No work, no nothing. No work, no what the feel.
Street is a college, you know.
Okay. Can you me didn't know you for a long time. We knew you from me I got school days, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you know come pre used to go?
No, flip back.
Free process used to go. Yeah. So, out the stay. So food for the poor no do nothing at all for because you say you're homeless?
No, I'm not poor, you know.
You're not homeless?
I'm not homeless.
You're not homeless either, okay.
No, I'm not poor.
You have a talent, you can dance.
The poor is the mind.
Yeah,
The poor is the mind.
poor is the mind. Okay.
Yeah. Spirit, I know rich in a God, you know.
Yeah. So what kind of talent you can do? You have talent though, what you can do?
I'm the best left back about that, you know.
Alright.
Footballer, you know.
So what you gonna need help? Remember say people that on the life can help you, you know. You need help, right?
Well,
Or you say you say you're not poor, so you don't need help. You don't need support.
yeah, we need support.
You need support, alright.
But the word poor is the mind.
It's the mind, yeah.
And you have to know that they're not poor to
They're
elevate
not
yourself.
poor. True,
So
yeah.
I'm one level to the other one, you see me?
Yeah, man. So a long time at a Porsche, you say up here lift?
Yeah, man.
Up here lift.
Born
Okay.
and grew at Portland.
Born and grown Portland. Okay, good. So this time of year, things not better. Like people not like get things like how Christmas will come up. You know, say Christmas a giving time.
Well,
So
no,
people
yeah.
not like get things, your clothes,
Yeah, man.
and you get things and
Yeah,
something.
man. Christmas good, man.
Okay, good. Yeah. But when I say people, anybody out there can do a little donation that would be really nice. When I can send the money, and when we give me, we can go live and show me say me give me and something. You see it, people? Yeah, because Jamaica.
Clothes, shoes.
Yeah, man. Jamaica rough enough people. As I get one little money say done. The dollar's not really so smooth out here. You have to work hard to stay away in a life. All if you're doing one good job, you can't really stay away so easy. Because I have the experience.
Hand to mouth, this.
Yeah, man, hand to mouth, man. Yeah, man. Go and bless up yourself, my G.
Same thing, you know.
Yeah.